Welcome to Art with Janine Liza. In this video I'm sharing a little bit of my vegetable gardening with you, from the garden to the table. Oakley and I are outside and we are going to dig up this patch here and see if there's any potatoes. Well, I am. He's just going to bark at everybody. I'm just going to go maybe let him inside so he doesn't feel so barky. Okay, so I'm going to get started. Alright, let's see what we find. I need to do it. I don't know what's in there, will I? And what's in here? Oh, are you kidding? Oh wow, it's a large potato. That one looks really good. Potato. Big ones. Potato right there. That's beautiful. Another one. Another one. These ones are good. Good shape. Fresh potatoes just harvested from the garden. And you can see on this one they're covered in mud. You can see since it's springtime they were starting to sprout. I'm going to peel them now, and if I see anything rotten in there I'm just going to get rid of it. Like for instance this doesn't look very good, so I'm literally just going to chop this part like that. That's alright, but I still don't want that part. And I'm going to carefully peel, and because these are fresh from the garden, the peel is not very thick on these, so I don't want to waste too much of the potato. I'm just going to, and you can see the difference between this homegrown potato and the one from the store that had a much thicker skin on it. Now they're boiled and perfect for mashing. I'll just put this into the stand mixer bowl and add some ingredients before mixing. I'll put 2 heaping tablespoons of sour cream and 1 heaping tablespoon of margarine. Another sprinkle of salt and it's good to go. But I'm going to get this arm for the stand mixer. Pop it in, grab the lid and get that mixing. Okay, so now the creamy mashed potato is ready. Perfect texture and taste it. And flavour. This mashed potato is actually part of a recipe that I'm going to be sharing later. For now, I just wanted to share the potatoes that were harvested last week, that I had planted last spring. Because I hadn't got around to harvesting them, I just took a whole bunch of leaves and covered the potato bed in the hope that it would insulate them, and I guess it worked. I look forward to sharing more of my sustainable living, vegetable gardening in the future. If you've enjoyed this video, you might enjoy other videos on Art with Janine Liza. I just love sharing all the creative things that I do, and I hope you enjoy it too.